Perfectlaser is a professional manufacturer of industrial laser equipment since 1995. Till now, we have more than 20 years history in the laser field. All of our machines have passed CE, RoHS, and ISO certificate. The handheld laser derusting machine comes with a handheld laser cleaning gun that can one-button start and stop cleaning. The operation is simple and fast, and there are no high demands on the construction environment. With non-contact cleaning technology, it doesn't damage the product. It has no chemical pollution. It comes with multiple cleaning operation modes. With processing library design, it can be used freely after set at one time. We can provide 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after service to you and to our customers worldwide.